Hi everyone, my name is Risha. Today is the 29th of December 2024. I'll be going over my weekly option chain analysis for the S&P 500 for the upcoming expiry on the 3rd of January. Just a note, these values in the -1 column for this video are from 3 weeks ago since I wasn't able to make videos, as similarly here and here as well. The max Y level has decreased to 6,000 for both. That's negative. Quantity is higher for for PE, that's negative. Change is higher in PE, that's negative. Short squeeze is higher in PE, that's negative. PCR is extremely high, that's negative. Implied volatility and historical volatility are both higher, that's two negatives. RSI lower, that's negative. Divergence, that's negative. ADX is lower, that's negative. ATR is higher, that's negative. EMA is higher, positive. Both EMAs are higher, that's positive. VWAP is lower, negative. Pivot point is lower, also negative. Candlestick is neutral. The new support and resistance are 6,000. The previous week's support is 6,060, and the previous week's resistance is 6,100. And the overall prediction for this week is that the S&P 500 will go down. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.